Welcome back. South Goa Police has warned the landlords and property owners to face 1 month's imprisonment for failing to provide information about tenants and domestic help employed by them to the police. The collector has already authorized the district police to file FIRs against landlords, tenants, owners of any house or property and persons dealing in property in South Goa if they lease out premises or sell property without informing the police.
Appeal to general public that will be conducting a drive of servant and tenant verification. So people are requested to fill the form and give those forms to our bid PC whenever they visit to the respective houses, or they can even deposit those filled form to nearest police station. So there are no guidelines, but only our request is that they should give us the details of those people who are staying with them.
Okay, is this action come after a lot of involvement of migrants and tenants has been seen in crimes in Goa?
That is one of the factor, and this is a mandatory requirement as per the notification issued by district magistrate.
Pratik Parab for Prudent.
Vistara 14, the revival of Radiance, a two-day event by Goa College of Architecture, is underway at its campus. The event will host almost 40 competitions and 3 workshops. Over 18 colleges are expected to participate in the event. DJ night is one of the major attractions of the event. Vistara will conclude on Saturday.
We have many creative competitions, around 40 competitions and 4 workshops. So this is a chance for students to show their creativity. We don't disclose our event just because we are having this sort of surprise, so they can show their creativity over there. And today we are having dance and fashion show at the Kingfisher village, and tomorrow we have battle of bands and DJ night. And this year we have done really good thing, like we are architecture students, we do a lot of work, so we have our exhibition gallery over here to which our students have displayed their artworks and all.
Goa's Liston Culasso and Joliton Dias have been selected among the 11 young footballers to train the Manchester United Soccer School. This opportunity was provided by Airtel Rising Stars Talent Hunt for under-16 footballers. The final trials were held over the last 2 days at Blair Stadium in Mapsa.
Airtel Rising Stars, supported by Manchester United, came to the final stage of trials with 23 young footballers from various parts of India. After 6 months and 20,000 participants, it was down to these 23 boys to impress the Manchester United Foundation coaches Lami Sanola, Kevin O'Connell, Dave Chapman and Adam Hilton for the one final time. After 2 days of various tests, these 11 Indian boys clinched the opportunity to train at Manchester United Soccer School. Goa's Liston Culasso is one of them. Student of St. Joseph's High School in Akhe, Liston is from Daoli. The 9th standard student plays as a striker. Fellow Goan Joliton Dias is from Kepe. Joliton is also in the 9th standard and is also a striker. He is a student of Immaculate Conception High School from Paroda.
Now the lucky and talented 11 go to Manchester United Soccer Schools. What sort of opportunity or environment awaits these young boys?
From the perspective of the Manchester United Foundation, this is inspiring potential and fulfilling dreams, and I think what Airtel has done here has made Manchester United as a partner really, really proud, because it's been really inclusive to all. So these young people, you know, what they can also do is come back to their relevant cities within India and inspire and be mentors, youth mentors, for when they come back from their trip from Manchester.
Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari from Mapsa.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.